Naturally antibacterial, non-corrosive, and ultra-lightweight, titanium resists stains, odors, and knife marks, making it the ideal surface for everything from raw meat to fresh produce. The 2025 upgrade features enhanced edge design for better grip, improved surface texture for precision cutting, and a sleek modern look that complements any kitchen aesthetic. Whether you're slicing, dicing, or serving, this titanium cutting board delivers professional-grade quality with zero compromises and Naturally antibacterial, non-corrosive, and ultra-lightweight, titanium resists stains, odors, and knife marks, making it the ideal surface for everything from raw meat to fresh produce. The 2025 upgrade features enhanced edge design for better grip, improved surface texture for precision cutting, and a sleek modern look that complements any kitchen aesthetic. Whether you're slicing, dicing, or serving, this titanium cutting board delivers professional-grade quality with zero compromises, an essential upgrade for anyone who demands the best in their kitchen. Titanium cutting board, 2025 new upgrade, 100% pure titanium, non-toxic, hygienic, and built to last. In 2025, kitchen innovation takes a bold leap forward with the launch of the Titanium Cutting Board, 2025 new upgrade. Designed for the modern home chef and culinary professionals alike, this 100% pure titanium cutting board redefines what a chopping surface should be: durable, hygienic, non-toxic, and incredibly easy to maintain. Why choose a titanium cutting board? Traditional cutting boards made of plastic, wood, or bamboo often absorb moisture, retain odors, and develop deep knife grooves that can harbor bacteria over time. Titanium, by contrast, is naturally antibacterial, non-porous, and extremely resistant to scratches, corrosion, and heat, making it one of the most hygienic and long-lasting materials you can bring into your kitchen. Crafted entirely from medical-grade titanium, this cutting board is non-toxic, food-safe, and free from BPA, phthalates, and harmful chemicals. Built-in groove, dishwasher-safe, double-sided titanium cutting. See more: included components, titanium cutting. Both sides of the board are usable, allowing you to separate raw meats from vegetables or cooked foods, helping prevent cross-contamination in your kitchen. Small blue diamond superior hygiene. Titanium's non-porous surface repels moisture and bacteria, making it one of the most sanitary cutting surfaces available. Introducing the best titanium cutting board, 2025 new upgrade, a revolution in kitchen essentials. Step into the future of food prep with the 2025 new upgrade 100% pure titanium cutting board, a cutting-edge kitchen innovation designed for serious chefs and home cooks alike. Crafted from 100% pure titanium, this premium cutting board offers unmatched durability, hygiene, and performance that leaves traditional wood and plastic boards far behind. Check price on Amazon. Buy now. Get link to visit https://www.amazon.com. Link code equals LL2 tag equals JITBrandWorld20 link ID equals A6X9A012D5C507BFB8F932B2271 a language equals N_USREF_ equals as_Lee_SS_TL